Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine. So today I'm going to discuss very important topic with you all. Today I'm going to review a book which is called Think Better, Live Better. It is by Joel Osteen. He is one of the best author and this is one of the best book I have read till today. It is the book which opened our eyes as far as my reading is concerned. When I took this book, I thought I will complete it in another 5 or 10 days. But when I took this book in my hand, it really takes me 2 to 3 days to complete this book. This book really gives you insight about the positive thinking. Okay, so it is, the tagline itself says, a victorious life begins in your mind. So it tells you about how to develop your thoughts, because the way you think is the way you design your life. It talks about that. This book, when I touch it, it's really good. It's very light in weight. You can carry it. And then when I open this, the font size is also very nice. Okay, it's not. So here, when I open the book, you can see the list of the content. Okay, it has total 10 chapters. Okay, and every chapter is unique in its own way. Chapter 1, reprogram your mind. Chapter 2, remove negative labels. Chapter 3, release the full you. Chapter 4, think yourself to victory. Chapter 5, pregnant with possibility. Chapter 6, the promise is in you. 7, ask big. 8, you have what you need. Keep your calm. That's chapter number 9. Chapter 10, just remember. So all of the chapters, first of all, are designed in such a way that it gives you transition from one set of mind to the another. First of all, it talks about the reprogramming your mind. He says your thoughts are everything. What are your thoughts? If it's full of negativity, it gives you the negative result. Okay, and also the very important thing, remove negative labels. It talks about the labels. Suppose if somebody told you a negative thing about you, so he calls it as a label. He just said delete those. It's not even required. God has not made us in a way, the way which we have become. Okay, God has gifted us many talents. God has gifted us many positive aspects in our personality. It is the society, it is the environment around us which makes us toxic and which develops the negativity in us. So that's why he talks about the thoughts. And to transform these thoughts, you have to work on your mind. The very beautiful thing about this book is that it gives you examples from your daily life. It gives you the example of the people you can relate to. It gives the example which motivates us. Because it is related to us, we can easily relate to the examples. And when you read the book, you feel like the connection is there with the book and with the examples. You don't feel like it is something, he is teaching you or he is preaching you. It's something which comes very, very in a very subtle way, and in a very in a very smooth way. You don't feel like that somebody is giving you a lecture on something. Somebody is not just focusing on the positivity. It's a journey basically. When I read this book, I really feel motivated and I really feel that something good happened with me. Something is there in me. I get that confidence when I read this book. And this is the book which really helped me in building my confidence and in in believing in me, and when I feel, something is missing in me, I pick up the book. This is the second read I'm doing for this book, to be honest. I have read it before, so I highly recommend this book to you guys. And if you don't find it in the stores in the hard copy, it's available in Goodreads, it's available in Amazon. Kindly get a copy of this one, and it's really a good one. I highly recommend this book. Think better, live better. See you in another blog with another book review. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.